Okay, hello everyone and good morning from Gangtok, Sikkim, the capital of Sikkim. So that's the MG mark. That's the ये पूरा MG mark है जहाँ पे vehicles जाना allowed नहीं है. This is the one of the road which goes towards the parking and this is the Mela ground. So यहाँ पे हो रहा है Extract Marathon Gangtok and I've registered myself. So मेरे हाथ में band बंधा हुआ है. This is the ambulance which is in service in case कोई अगर accident होता है कुछ होता है. So they will be taken through this and here you can see there are gear section. जो लोग बाइक वगैरह लेके आते हैं उनके पास गियर नहीं है, they are provided with the gear. That's the sanitizer. Over here is the briefing section जहाँ पे लोग बैठे हुए हैं. That's the track map. यहाँ पे बारिकदा जो है जो कि राइडर है वो यहाँ पे ब्रीफ करेंगे. यहाँ पे हो रहा है registrations. So people are doing the registrations. First aid box है and sanitizer है for COVID. And rest, this is the feedback section. Over here you get to see this helmet. यहाँ पे जो लोग के पास हेलमेट नहीं है वो लोग को हेलमेट दिया जाएगा. This is the feedback and this is the booking counter. And rest, this is the Expulse Rally kit लगा हुआ मोटरसाइकिल है. So rally kit क्या होता है आपको यहाँ पे पता चलेगा. If you want to know, kindly take the screenshot and then you will get to know what's the rally kit. You get 220 mm plus 50 mm का travel, यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस बन जाता है. स्टैंड मिलेगा, गियर लीवर मिलेगा, सस्पेंशन मिलेगा. सो एवरीथिंग गेट चेंज एंड दी बाइक सीट इंक्रीज, मतलब इसका जो हाइट है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है. कम्प्लीमेंट्री टी. दिस इज़ द कस्टमर लाउंज. दैट इज ऑल्सो कस्टमर लाउंज एंड यहाँ पे है हीरो एक्सट्रीम 160. दैट्स द प्लेजर प्लस, माइस्ट्रो, एक्सपल्स सारी यहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहे हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द ट्रैक. एक्चुअली ये ट्रैक आपको दिखने में मे बी थोड़ा इजी लगेगा, यहाँ से जाएंगे, लेकिन वहाँ पे काफ़ी स्टिफ है. तो वो मैं आपको ड्रोन से दिखाऊंगा. जो स्टिफ वाला पोर्शन है इट्स वेरी स्टिफ एक्चुअली एंड द मड इज़ वेरी लूज. सो आप जब भी जाते हो, आप अगर ब्रेकिंग अगर करते हो तो टायर जो है वो अंदर घुस जाता है. एंड इट्स क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग. लाइक जो कालिम्पोंग का था वो थोड़ा ठीक था. रंगपो का इट वॉज क्वाइट गुड एंड ईजी एंड मोर movable, but this is very challenging. One of the challenging track that I have ridden, this is one of them. 1 2 3 ये 3 hurdles हैं काफ़ी बड़े वाले and ये वाला steep भी काफ़ी है. मतलब it is very challenging. So there is one lady rider with us. There is one male and he is also male. So yes, everyone is pumped up, all ready and that's Barikda over here. इनको अब कुछ बोलना नहीं है cause he is getting ready for the bike. So this is the event all around. You can see the 360. So now let them start. I will fly my drone and I will show you the track, how the track is.
So you need to taste the bike. We made the track for you to taste and check the steering.
So यहाँ पे हो रहा है ब्रीफिंग सेशन. ब्रीफिंग के बाद होगा राइड. कॉज यहाँ पे कैसा ट्रैक है क्या है उसके बारे में उसको ब्रीफ करते हैं कि कहाँ पे स्लो जाना है, कहाँ पे चक्का को उठाना है, कहाँ पे मतलब फास्ट चलाना है, कहाँ पे पेस पे निकालना है. तो एवरीथिंग इज़ बीन ब्रीफ्ड ओवर देयर वंस यू कम. सो यहाँ पे ब्रीफिंग होता है एंड इट्स ऑल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आपको ₹1 नहीं देना होता. लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक कि इट्स अ पेड समथिंग. नो, जस्ट हॉप इन, आप एंटर करो, रजिस्ट्रेशन करो, इट्स ऑल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. सो द नेक्स्ट इवेंट विल बी हैपनिंग इन दार्जिलिंग. सो लेट्स सी, दार्जिलिंग में मिलते हैं ज़रूर एंड इट विल बी ऑल्सो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. सो यस, अभी ब्रीफिंग के बाद हम लोग उड़ाएंगे ड्रोन को. So this track is very hard actually. Loose soil है, उसके वजह से बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है. So she skipped the hurdle and question up.
Rider number 127, please come to feedback counter. Rider number 127, please come to feedback counter.
Done. So अभी यहाँ पे ड्रोन शॉट आपने देखा, ट्रैक का देखा, थोड़ा बहुत मैंने गैंगटॉक का भी ले लिया. अमेजिंग है. लव गैंगटॉक, द वे दे लुक, द रोड्स. एनीवे, अभी बाइक का सैनिटाइजेशन हो गया है. अभी राइडिंग के जितने भी लोग हैं, जो लोग ने रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह किया है, उनको बुलाया गया है. सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड ब्रीफिंग दैट दे गोना डू. एंड यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रेशंस ऑन हैं. काफ़ी भीड़ हो गया है, काफ़ी भीड़ हो गया है. एंड यहाँ पे ब्रीफिंग के लिए है. एंड दे हैव डन द राइड.
ये कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, वैसा कुछ नहीं है. आपको टेस्ट करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब ये जो ट्रैक है, इसको बनाया गया है कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ऑब्स्टेकल मिलेंगे, वो भी हर टाइप का. ठीक है.
I have one lady rider with us, and she is the first and only one lady rider with us who joined over here. So let me tell you, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Prerna.
Prerna. Okay, and you're from Gangtok?
I'm from Bordang actually.
Okay, Bardhan. And so first of all, apart from a name, I would like to ask you the question is that what all you liked over this track?
I loved everything. It's not just like, it was very exciting, very
By the way, you
thrilling.
got also recorded while falling and all. So what you would like to have?
I just fell a bit while turning.
Okay.
But that was also like, it's a good experience because now I know how to ride off-road. It's good.
And what about those 3 obstacles that you see?
Actually, I didn't took a jump. I recently had my spine surgery, so I just couldn't
Okay.
take us.
So she had a spine surgery, and that is the reason we found that she was taking the bypass. Side से वो जा रही थी. And apart from that, how did you like about the Expulse motorcycle?
I've already rode this actually. I just like this. It's
So you
good.
like this Expulse?
Yeah, I like this Expulse.
So have you ridden this rally kit one?
No, not that one.
Not that one. Okay. So and anything else you'd like to tell us about the track and your experience?
I I just like to say that everyone needs to try once. Even I was scared, afraid very much when I first saw the track. I thought like I would not be able to do this. At first it was very difficult, but the second lap was very interesting and very fun. So everyone needs to try.
Okay, and the next event is happening in Darjeeling. So would you like to join over there?
Hopefully, yeah, I will be there.
Okay, so see you in Darjeeling, hopefully. Bye-bye. Thank you for taking part in our...
इनको दो नंबर 9 को दो
राइडिंग गियर्स दिया जा रहा है.
उनको चाहिए
दीपू सोच रहा होगा कहाँ फंस गया बाइक लेके. हाँ,
टफ, ये सबसे टफ ट्रायल था तीनों ट्रैक में से.
बहुत बढ़िया.
इस डिक्लाइन का मैं बात कर रहा था जो काफ़ी टफ है. नाइस.
चलिए क्लास छोड़ के
इन लोगों को ना मानना पड़ेगा ना, दे आर रियली वर्किंग रियली हार्ड. थम्स अप. फिर से सैनिटाइजेशन. काफ़ी सारे राइडर्स जो है वो चला लिए हैं बाइक को. तो सैनिटाइजेशन हो रहा है एंड few of them are having a good fall, गिर भी रहे हैं, उठ भी रहे हैं एंड देन दोबारा जंप कर रहे हैं, चला रहे। सो मैंने कहा आपको, मैंने ट्रैक पे बाइक नहीं चलाया था, लेकिन शुरुआत में मैंने कह दिया कि दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट ट्रैक, बिकॉज इसका जो बनावट है वो देख के मैंने बोल दिया था कि टफेस्ट है। एंड एवरीवन इज़ फॉलोइंग, एवरीवन। कौन एक्सपीरियंस है वो भी गिर रहा है, जो नहीं है वो तो गिर ही रहा है। और दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट ट्रैक बट लविंग इट। आई हैव टुक 1 लैप, मज़ा आ गया। अभी फिर दोबारा मैं हेलमेट लगा के गोप्रो लगा के मैं चलाऊँगा, तब आप लोग देखना, मज़ा आ रहा है। Now I have one of the rider who was riding this Xpulse. So what's the name?
Hi, my name is Pegel.
Huh?
Pegel.
Pegel. Okay. So this is the Xpulse which you are riding, right?
Yes, yes.
And
yes.
what about the track?
Yeah, we had a really good time. I dropped the bike 2 times, but it was a very good experience.
And one more thing, like what about the hurdles? Those 3 hurdles? Was it like too tough or tough?
It was quite tough, but our instructor, he did it everything with ease, and we also got to learn a lot of things today.
Okay. And what about the bike performance over this track?
Yes, yes, it's too good. Especially it has the rally kit.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm a bit too short for the seat height, but it was very fun.
Okay. And I have another rider with me. What's the name?
Gurmi.
Huh?
Gurmi.
Gurmi. Okay, so you're riding this Xpulse 200, right? So this is a rally kit version.
That's right.
And what about the track?
I'd like to thank
Mr. Bari.
Gopal and Mr. Barik for organizing this lovely event. It's the first time I think Gangtok is having such an event. It's a wonderful thing to have. Gives younger riders a lot of insight into what motocross is, and like
Adventure riding.
how to ride your bike. And I think it's a good start actually. When I look at all this event, it's a really good start for Gangtok, Sikkim to promote this kind of riding. And I'd like to thank Hero also for organizing this.
And what about the track?
Track, looking at the track, it's quite intimidating, but with the help of the coach here, everything, even the first starting riders, they've done a good job, I think. Most of us, everyone actually, in fact, had a fall, but, I think they're going to go home with a lot of experience in their belt.
And memories.
And memories, of course.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this was the 2 riders who have got their Xpulse rally kit bikes, and crowd काफी ज़्यादा है. I have someone special with me. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Gyatso.
Gatso.
Yeah.
Okay. So like you have rode this Xpulse.
Not before, this is my first time.
Okay. So what is your experience about the Xpulse?
It's a nice bike for, what do you call that, stunt and all.
Off-roading.
Yeah, off-roading. It's, this terrain, it's very nice and very wonderful.
Okay. And what about the track that they have designed over here?
I really wanted to appreciate whoever, did this.
Okay.
Small space, nicely done, nice curve,
The hurdles are quite big.
It's quite big for me, because this is my first time I'm riding this kind of trail.
Okay.
So,
Okay, so if you don't mind, I can ask you what's your age?
I'm 47.
47. So you are doing it at the age of 47. So really appreciable.
Yeah.
And anything else you would like to tell us about this track, about the motorcycle, about the event? What do you like?
Event is very well organized, and the track is very nice. For me, it's very nice. I don't know about the professionals, but for me, we used to ride a motorcycle, but this kind of trail we never did in
Sikkim.
Sikkim.
So first time it's happening in Sikkim.
First time it's happening, and it's very it looks very nice, and I really enjoyed it. And thank you so much for the team for organizing this kind of event in Gangtok. We should do in future too.
Often.
Yeah, often.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I have another group over here. So, introduce yourself by one.
Okay, so my name is Sonam Lode, and actually I'm not much into off-road. Actually, like I ride like on-road bikes, you know.
Okay.
Like, I'm much into tracks and all, but like these are new experience for me off-road. I do some trails and all, but not this kind of extreme one.
So what? So how's the experience over here?
Actually, I'm a on-road guy who loves tracks and all, sports bike and all. But today's experience was the best ever because I've never tried like jumping
first
through
time it's happening for you.
airtime and all, no. So dirt bike. So I would like recommend Xpulse 200 to everyone because it is the best in the market all over India. I think all over the international right country.
Okay.
Xpulse is the like cheapest and the most
Affordable bike.
reliable dirt bike ever. And if you put the rally kit on, then you'd go places.
Rider number 26.
I love
no
the
other bike
experience. I love the experience very much.
Counter.
Hero Xpulse, thank you very much.
Rider number 26
So what's the track?
243.
Track is very good.
Please come to
Aapka?
briefing
So what's the
counter.
name?
So hello, my name is Kalzang and I am from Gangtok, Sikkim.
Okay.
And so this was also my first experience for off-roading. I also basically like I'm into like street riding and all, and I travel for long touring. I also do long touring and all. But this track, no, by looking at it, the audience might say like, this is like easy track. But once you go into the track, then you will know like what kind of track it is.
The mud is loose.
Yeah,
the
the mud
track is
yeah.
very challenging.
Yes, and like especially the loose gravel, no, that loose sand and gravel, like, it's the very like difficult part. Yeah, I also like first thought like I think I can do best, but I had like many difficulties like once I entered the track. But like this was the very best experience out here in Gangtok, and I would like to thank like Hero
Rider number
like,
26
company, like, they
241.
organize
Please
such a
come to
good
briefing
event.
counter.
And like, I'm also looking
Rider
forward
number
for such more
26
events to come.
241. Please come
Exactly,
to
like
briefing
we
counter.
people, we love more adventure.
Yeah,
Like
adventure,
we,
yeah.
we can ride across roads everywhere,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
we don't find such places where we can do
true,
the
true.
off-roading
Yeah,
and
yeah,
everything,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
And what are the Xpulse bike? What all you have to say
What
about
I
the
feel,
Xpulse
yeah.
bike?
Basically, my friend also owns an Xpulse.
Okay.
So like I've been riding in like trails and all, but not like extreme off-road.
Okay.
But it's a very fun bike to ride. But like no, like if you're like into street riding, but you must have one extra bike, no, one at least if you
For off-roading.
Yeah, off-roading. Yeah, I recommend like if you own a super bike, but one bike you should keep extra for enduro riding, no.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much.
So you're like your bike in Neela didn't. So like I watch your vlog sometimes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I like your vlog. Okay,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you so much. एक चीज़ आप मानो या नहीं मानो, राइडर्स ने कहा, मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया ये चीज़, ये ट्रैक दिखने में बहुत आसान है, बहुत आसान लग रहा है यार ऐसा चढ़ना है, नीचे है, बस ये एक आध दो आएंगे, बट नो, वंस यू गो ऑन द ट्रैक यू गेट टू सी एंड रियलाइज इट्स टफ, बहुत टफ है.
Rider
लूज
number
ग्रेवल,
44.
लूज सैंड, चक्का अटक जाता
Rider
है,
number 44.
बहुत दिक्कत है. बट यस, दिस इज़ द एडवेंचर, ये फन हो रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. तो अभी हम चलाएंगे. This is something really tough. नीचे उतरना. मजा आ गया यार. ओके. मजा आ रहा है यार.
रहा है ना।
वो जब आप उसको सामने पहुंचोगे ना तब ऐसे करो। एक बार मैं करता हूँ।
दो तीन और है, फोटो ही नहीं मर रहा था।
परफेक्ट चलो, उल्टा परफेक्ट चलो।
बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत 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 ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आ गया। एंड अमेजिंग फन, इट वाज फन। यहाँ पे बहुत प्रेशर आता है, ये रिस्ट का ये वाला पॉइंट पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर आता है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस what makes you away from the obstacles. It's your techniques that you ride, and amazing था ये ride, and we'll definitely ride for one more time and we'll experience. फोटोज़ काफ़ी अच्छा भी आया है, फोटोज़ भी अपलोड करेंगे इंस्टाग्राम पे। फॉलो माई ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल, विल अपलोड दी फोटोग्राफ। अभी बहुत थक गया हूँ, तो खाना वाना खाते देन फिर मैं आपको मिलता हूँ। अभी हम जा रहे हैं दोबारा जा रहे हैं, मस्ती होने वाला है आज।
ऑफ रोड के लिए उससे अच्छा परफॉर्म है।
Come along near the jump, तभी GoPro में दिखेगा।
ओ अच्छा, मेरे
फिर तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं।
ओ वो बोलो।
अभी मैं वो वाला ट्रैक मारूंगा ना,
ये वाला लो, ये वाला जब का परफेक्ट होता है, गोल वाला लो।
डायरेक्ट मारूंगा तब तक इधर, जब तक मारूंगा तेरा ये डंडी है ना।
हाँ सामने से। এটা তো
Okay, so finally the event is all over. It's around 4:35, 5 बजे इवेंट ओवर होता है। अभी और कोई पार्टिसिपेंट्स कुछ एक आध है जो लोग चला रहे हैं, वो लोग रेडी हो रहे हैं। सो वो ऑलरेडी एक दो बार चला चुके हैं, देन एंड में जो लोग नहीं कर पाए थे अच्छे से, वो लोग अभी राइड मारेंगे। सो ये इवेंट ऐसा ही था। सो ये जो इवेंट था, दिस वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय दार्जिलिंग मोटर्स सिलीगुड़ी, एंड अमेजिंग, लवली इवेंट। ट्रैक वाज क्वाइट टफ, अमेजिंग, आई डिड इट रियली वेल, बहुत मज़ा आया, फ्लाई बाई भी मारा, मज़ा आ गया। एनीवे, सो अभी नेक्स्ट जो इवेंट है वो होगा दार्जिलिंग में। दार्जिलिंग वाला जो लोकेशन है वो मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब पे अपलोड कर दूंगा, but for that you have to be staying on my channel, so do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification. With all that said, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have liked something, do press the like button. You can comment down your comments in the comment section box, and definitely share this video so that people who are the worm, जो कीड़े हैं ना ये सब के, उन तक ये वीडियो पहुँचे और वो अगला जो इवेंट है उसमें आके वो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करे एंड धमाल मचा दे, यू नो. एंड यस, विद दैट सेड, बाय बाय. मिलते हैं अगले इवेंट पे, अगले वीडियो पे. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून, राइड सेफ, राइड हार्ड, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम कोविड, मेंटेन प्रिकॉशन. बाय बाय.